The 2026 Tesla has finally arrived, and once again, it's redefining what the future of driving looks like. Tesla has built a reputation for pushing boundaries, and this time, it's gone even further with new design elements, smarter technology, and improved performance that makes this car feel like something from another decade. The first thing you notice is how futuristic it looks even when it's standing still. The 2026 Tesla combines simplicity with sophistication in a way that few cars ever achieve. The body has been completely redesigned for better aerodynamics, featuring cleaner lines, a more sculpted shape, and an even lower drag coefficient. The front end now has slimmer LED headlights that flow seamlessly into the body, giving it a sharp and modern look. The flush door handles are more refined, popping out automatically as you approach the car. Tesla has also improved the materials used on the exterior, making it more durable while maintaining that smooth, glass-like finish it's known for. The new paint options include some eye-catching metallic shades and matte colors that highlight the car's futuristic appeal. Moving along the sides, the design feels even more aerodynamic than before. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, giving it a coupe-like silhouette without compromising on space. The new alloy wheels are engineered not only for style, but also to reduce air resistance, helping increase range efficiency. Around the back, the LED light bar stretches across the trunk, creating a unified and elegant look, especially at night. The Tesla badge is now illuminated, and the bumper design has been simplified for a cleaner, more premium appearance. Everything about the exterior feels deliberate and futuristic, from the minimalist details to the smart aerodynamics that contribute to both performance and efficiency. Stepping inside the cabin feels like entering the future of automotive design. Tesla has always been known for its minimalist interiors, but the 2026 model takes it to the next level. The first thing that grabs your attention is the massive panoramic glass roof that extends almost the entire length of the car, giving passengers a sense of openness and connection with the outside world. The seats are made with new sustainable materials that feel soft yet durable, and they come with heating, ventilation, and memory functions. The cabin lighting has been upgraded with customizable ambient LEDs that let you change the atmosphere depending on your mood. Tesla's attention to detail really shows here. Every surface feels premium, every control feels precise, and every texture has been carefully selected to balance comfort with technology. At the center of the dashboard sits the iconic Tesla touchscreen, now even larger and sharper, running on an upgraded operating system that's smoother and faster than ever before. The interface is incredibly intuitive, letting you control everything from climate and media to navigation and driving modes with just a few taps. The steering wheel now comes with touch-sensitive controls and a cleaner layout. Tesla has also refined the voice command system, allowing natural speech control for nearly every feature in the car. The infotainment system supports streaming, video playback, and gaming, and with 5G connectivity, everything feels instant. Rear passengers get their own display as well, with entertainment options and climate control access, turning every trip into a personalized experience. Performance has always been Tesla's strongest area, and the 2026 model doesn't disappoint. It comes in multiple variants, starting with the standard dual-motor all-wheel drive version, which delivers breathtaking acceleration and grip in all conditions. The performance version takes things even further, with over 1,000 horsepower combined and a 0 to 60 time of under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. Tesla's new generation battery pack offers better cooling, longer lifespan, and faster charging speeds. The range has been significantly increased, up to 450 miles on a single charge, depending on the trim level and wheel size. The regenerative braking system has also been refined, allowing smoother transitions between acceleration and deceleration. Tesla's engineers have managed to make the driving experience both thrilling and relaxing at the same time. The handling feels precise and confident, thanks to the adaptive air suspension that adjusts automatically to road conditions. Whether you're driving on the highway or through winding roads, the car stays planted and composed. The steering feels light yet responsive, and the ride quality is exceptionally smooth. Tesla has also introduced improved sound insulation, which makes the cabin whisper quiet, even at high speeds. It's a driving experience that blends raw electric power with luxurious comfort, something very few cars manage to achieve. The technology inside the 202.